100 meter cube of volume. If I crush it and throw it here, and we breathe it, we are going to take it in, continuously. That brings 10,000 microgram of place.
But my final role with AstraZeneca was the group engineer for the research and development site at Macclesfield, pharmaceutical manufacturing. And approximately 14 years ago, legislation in the UK changed. There's regulations around COSH, which is control of substances hazardous to health, and it changed its hierarchy and it moved containment to sort of third place. Before that, it was appropriate to dress operators in protective clothing. Around at the time for the technology that would enable us to continue to manufacture, and we had something like 21 manufacturing units, continue to manufacture and do it within, for existing facilities, in a fairly sort of decent budget. And I came across flexible technology. It was only being used at one site in America and one site in Ireland at the time. So I brought and introduced it into AstraZeneca facilities, and because there was nobody actually designing and supplying it, I then left AstraZeneca just nearly 10 years ago and set up a company to design, supply.
See, basically, we are in the field of containment technology, where we prevent operator coming in contact with the product. So many times in pharmaceutical application, the products may be highly toxic, especially in anti-cancer drugs or cytotoxic drugs or hormones. They are highly dangerous for the operator's health. When he is producing it, he is bound to come in contact. We produce an equipment which will prevent becomes a barrier between the operator and the product. So he is safe, product is safe, and the quality of the product, because we are about to put the controlled atmosphere, the quality of the pharmaceutical product is also better.
How is the response of this?
Like
in India?
Yes, see, we have started in 2008, and by then stainless steel there are 2-3 already manufacturers are available. Now the flexible thing is the new entry in India. I would say we are the second entry in India, and the market response has to yet to develop. It's a nascent market, and the cost wise and the time wise, the flexible thing has the better advantage over the stainless steel. Advantage and disadvantages. Every place is flexible cannot be used. Every place is rigid cannot be used. So each one has its own application. So we are able to promote wherever the flexible is good, wherever rigid is good, we are able to suggest the rigid. So customer gets the advantage of both the world. So that's what we see the synergy with the flexible manufacturing, containment technology manufacturing facility.
Thank you.